Oh, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. B2 lifts, my mate Frank, top of the range gear. You can see this is well braced, thick stuff. This has obviously been around a long time. Okay, braced here. You can allows you to bolt it to something, so you can actually put this on a table, which will turn and tilt and do all that like the gyms that we have. We have actually got Jim's engine stand. Also does trannies. It's an amazing bit of kit. The whole thing is on a roller bearing, so you can just spin your motor around, spin him over, up, down, all over the place. Okay, very stable. This is one I made, as you can see. You can tell I made it because it's totally over-engineered. It's a good bit of kit made out of old RSJs, but very, very solid. You could actually bolt this onto something the same and spin it, turn it an engine stand, you know, something like that, or bolt it on here. And as you can see here, amazing bit of kit. This is a Jim's nose cone cover, whatever you want to call it, two-piece, so you can actually clock everything up, set everything up, then put your cover back on with your points. All right, very, very cool bit of kit. These are your flat top pistons or dished. This will allow you to fit a blower if you want to get some serious horsepower out of these engines. It's all been honed, all the heads have been recut, all the seats, and we've gas floated a bit. So as you can see, vapor blasted as well. So you have got an amazing motor. Best word to describe them when they're done. Beautiful. And this one here hasn't been done yet. We're just doing this, ripping it down, sticking the gear drive in. God knows they need it. And as this one is within tolerance, we can. This is only 2,000 run out. But we do Ultima, we do Fuel In, we do S&S, we do Andrews. So if you want out building, give us a bell. 01773835666, customcruisers.com. Thank you.